Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing DeRay, the green Ankylosaurus Squishmallow. Let's start off with a big round shape. Start off with the top of the head. Curve as smooth as you can. And then let's draw in the two sides. For our base of the body, once you're done with the two sides, let's connect it to the middle, like so. Clean that up just a little bit. Alright, let's start with the little eyes in the middle. Right in the middle, above a little bit. Right around here, we're going to draw in a big cute eye on either side. And then let's add in two big highlights. And then, once you have the highlights done, let's color in the black spots. If you're finding it a little bit troubling to follow along, just pause the video, and once you catch up, just unpause to continue. Once the eyes are done, let's just draw in a little mouth in the middle, right around here. And this is going to be the base. And now we have to draw all the Ankylosaurus details. Let's go with the little head piece right here. We're going to draw in two lines on the outside. And swoop down the middle, curve, and connect. It's going to be the cranium. And then once we're done with that centerpiece, we're going to draw in two cute little horns on either side. 1, 2. And on this side, 1, 2. And there is some details we're missing with this little spots for some scale detail. Add those in. And let's draw in the belly. The belly starts around here, and then it's just gonna go on either side. 1, 2. Let's draw in some striping on the belly. And then we just need 3 stripes. 1, 2, 3, and we're good to go. Once you're done with the stripes, let's draw in 3 circles. 1, 2, 3 on this side. I'll give you some time to do that. Once you're done with the circles on this side, let's go to the other side. 1, 2, 3. That's looking really good. And that's it's all you need to draw your DeRay. And then now we're just gonna add some color. Alright, we got some really bright colors to start. We're gonna start off with the green. This can be for his main body. I'm gonna add in some highlight circles. And then just fill in this whole entire area with this light green. What dinosaur is your favorite dinosaur? I'm thinking of doing a T-Rex for my next drawing, if I could find a good cute one. Let's see, once we're done with that side, we can move over to the other side. Trying in some straight lines with this side, see if it looks a little cleaner. Looking really nice. Trying to avoid these spots because we're going to use a darker green for those. Almost there. Oop, gotta get in between here. Almost. And we got it. Let's just clean up a little bit of spots that we have missed. That's looking really good. Now let's move over to our darker green, and now we can fill in all these other spots. Looking super cute. And then finally yellow for the rest of it. It's gonna be for the belly and the horns. Give me a big highlight spot and do a highlight spot there, highlight there, and then for the belly, let's do one big highlight spot that we're gonna avoid. Big area, so big brush strokes. Almost done. Fill in the rest. And there you have it. DeRay the Anklyosaurus Squishmallow. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions for any other animals, please leave it in the comments down below.